welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Most of the time, women and children becomes victims of gender-based violence. But guys, we can not deny the truth that men are also victimized. The difference is that it's very difficult for them to report. A lot of questions pop out in their minds. I will be a laughing stock in the community and no one will believe me. As you can see, guys, we are talking about Gomora, specifically about Teddy's incident. He is a special child. They struggle with a lot of things, including his schoolwork. But lately, he found someone who seems to understand him, telling him he is special, he is handsome. For Teddy, that was a dream come true. Miss Manzi has been playing mind games with Teddy, and finally, she forced herself to him. Teddy actually wanted to be in a relationship, but Miss Manzi is too old for him, and she is his teacher. This incident is actually, or will actually bring a lot of stress to Teddy, his future love life and schoolwork. Checking the coming episode or tears as Miss Manzi will lose Teddy to bed again, and it will be very difficult for him to stand him. So how is he going to share a table with him? How would he concentrate when she teaches? This so-called relationship, guys, will end up in tears. Please share your feeling about this matter on the comment section, and thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.